Nothing beats subscribing to the BYO podcast. Survive depression. And your toxic co-worker.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls,
welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yolana ethi po.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just head home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can come any day. You can come and we play. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting.
Ayiko right into le mina vela ngaze ngiyithande.
Yani.
Ngaze ngiyithande.
Iphele ngayithandiwe.
Ukuthi kuthiwa otshela abagqoka usayi7.
Oh, amankazana abalenyazo.
Yibo balebhunda.
Wena.
Yibo balebhunda.
Namankazana amane wazacakile yaqoqa usayi7.
Yatholakala lokho. Yakwazi bro, ngingumntwana. Ngiyakhumula makasaze ngograde 1. Ngangigqoka maybe usize 4. I think ngangigqoka usize 4. Wabe kubuye omnye uchomi, kuba uyisihlobo esasili visited. Isihlobo lesiya sesithi ubhekise emkhulu phela sengaka. Because I was already too tall for my age. I thought lo I'm sure ngasemdala ebegqoka usize 12. Yabo. Eyangithi yabisithi ezitshotha ama size obviously. I was just doing childhood math. 4, 8, 12. Ngangena ebedroom ngaline so size 4. Wow. Mayibabu. Babe ngaka ndoda. Njengakhala iDelia. iDelia is one of the few days I know ngakhuleka ngacela uNkulunkulu ngathi please don't do this to me.
Thunyawo lwami.
Baline so size 4 dog. Ubabona ngabe ngo3 bangakana. Yazi futhi kulezinye izicathulo ezinhle kwamanye ama sizes. Ezizinhle. Kuthiwa ngesindebele. Ezinhle.
Ezinhle ngama sizes.
Kulezinye izicathulo ezinhle.
Cabanga iOster selingaka so.
Ufuna imic input.
Umbuyithule selinje.
Kule ngisho mina besitshona naye rafe ngani ivalekile ku recorder but sizayibamba kuphela one day. Sizachi imic eceleni kwakho because yawita ngasa record yawita. But it's true. Especially mina for example, ikuthiwa wina ama lesi sicapha lesithiwa wina uthiwa ama JD.
Ma Jonathan T.
Ama Johnson Timbare. Ama Johnson Timbare la I think imahle mayisa izencane. Nxa sekubo 11 kithi nga.
Oh, so yena lonyo oluncane.
Yeah, ulonyawo lu right.
But akwenze vele ukuthi ube ngumjidi ugqoka usize 6 kusehla.
Akona Karosisi baba ngasitshela. I-correlation yani liqiniso yini?
Ngiyamlalela uBryce khona la.
Ngobuza i-correlation yani liqiniso yini?
Hayi.
Okay.
Hayi seqiniso.
Usisi kodwa le limited research la so don't take a word for it. It's not like sample
size.
Tay sample what? Tay sample size.
Anti kuthiwa amajidi measure ngesicathulo eyabe measure ngesmile.
Smiley.
Smile as for.
Kadi mana. Mana price.
Right.
Kwini uyabukumezha kahle kahle. I-length, i-width, i-depth, umezwani. Hayi uthe eyabe imezwa ngesmile. Ini?
Iwini.
Emezwani.
Umzila.
Wow.
Price ozokhuluma ingcekeza.
enganani. Wow.
In long division mtshana. When I remember it. Actually, now it kind of makes sense ukuthi why otshela kuthiwa bebe lesiqalo ezincane. Amachita bebe lesiqalo esikhulu.
Awulanto enjalo.
But I guess that's a common misconception. Well, I don't know. Personally, angikwazi ukuthi why someone yeah. But mina ngaba le Vans eli1. I've only ever owned one pair of Vans elalingu size 12. Akongani libhampa mdala. Yakho ama bhampa.
ukuthi iVans liyacina lingani lilipatapata.
Ndoda li. Ala lingayenzi. Ama Vans are right kubo size 5. Mina vele I'll say 4 to 8.
So abafana bagqoka ama-Vans ke.
Angiyali, but they start looking funny like the bigger the size. That's what I'm saying. Mina ungaliboni iVans ukuthi ligqoka yini. La uyalibona ukuthi lela ihlabusi.
Ngapha umude ngapha ugqoka iVans elingu size 12. Yabe usungani likhuba.
Vele sengiyasongokuni.
No, likhuba.
Kana amabhamba wona yanga. Yazi amabhamba kodwa manje. Not amathomi.
North Star.
Size yami. Azithe kudala nje i-podcast labafana abancane la. Ole size yami la.
Ezigugileyo.
Yayila mathenda futhi.
Yayile tender. First time yami ngise crash ndoda. Kodwa enye boys yayicha ithenda thina sichawo 7 because crash kwangena. Ngingazi ukuthi linabantwana. Line crash langena ngani? Wangena ngani crash?
Angena kanjani?
Like isicapha ongela dress code isicathulo obonke uyiteke ulifuna.
That's Thoma by white.
Othomi phela. But kulenye member mina ngafunde eThembiso lapha you know why uThomi wayeli I got ndoda.
And why blind?
Hey.
Hamba sabawela.
Hey.
Yeah. Why blind Thoma lawa?
Fuck. Lezana ezinye izinto umuntu omele zithengele zona semdala lezi. Utshela just ukhipha ulaka lwakhona ukuthi because amajita akwenza ingce imngetho engithi ngaze ukuthi nxa usumdala ya revenge zonke stuff
Yeah, like there are other things. Always fisa umncane but you couldn't buy for yourself, man. Especially mina kunomunye umuntu wafaka enye tweet flavor ever Dairy Bot yakudala. What I used to love you now that I can afford 1,000 of you, I'll say.
Yeah. And that's how it is, bro. Mina ngingumuntu maji ukuthi la misende ama childhood stories amaningi man.
Amaqinini.
I'm alive, bro. I'm alive. Sasihlale eGwabaland. Ngabe ngithunywa amagwegwe nothi ngiyethenga isichefu. True story. I don't know ukuthi ince stories engazixoxa la. This is a true story, my gents. Lekwazi mina ngafika maybe to grade 4 ngakaze ngitest ipoloni. Alitshela bathi. Inganhleki bathi. Yazi udubo tho. I wouldn't say udubo, but it was a tough life. So check all the butcher magwegwe nothi lapha. Ndoda all the butcher magwegwe nothi lapha. Every time obvious when you would tune in, you get umbendeni or something. Yabo. Uyibona ukuthi inyama le ipinki le. Ngathi yabhenga le. Yabo. This one day nganthunywa khona kuyi Saturday dog. Ngabe mfika umdala waye oni butcher leya. Waye ngumdala vele wayelama facial features lantu abantu abakhe babekhanya. So i-day lena kuyi Saturday. And I think vele ngokukhanda abantu abakhe. So kwakulonye boys wayekhompa but mina incenga ku grade 4 so remember lencane kubo form 1 form 2 so engani di Buddha at the time yabo. Embele ngayibona imile exoxa lo chomo osebenza ebutcher. Yabi dobo kuyi yabona kuyi okuzingqamu kwebutcher ukuthi kuhlala kubhendile ukuthi for some fucking reason ingqamu zebutcher siko stress mbezilolwa kakhulu. Wabebamba ipoloni nje wabe siki slices enezi slices ethi ngikhululeka mzala esingaka. Kuthi umntwana wabe siki ikhululeka mzala nje. Wabe idopa so wabe qasa kuyihlafuna exoxa. Ndoda msonga xhoza injenja that day. So for me, that was one food item. I always told myself, ngingakhula. First time ngikudla ipoloni. This is actually such a true story. I even remember the first time ngikudla ipoloni. Ngase ngiku grade 5, ngase ngiku first team baseball emarketini. Sabe sidlala, sasiyadlala against isikolo. Ngingu shortstop. So i-trip yakhona kwasokuthiwa sihamba after 1 isikolo sesiphelile lapha. Kwaleso kuhanjwe egamini leya ngabona uteacher wethu coach wethu eselodani ama-omzo ngabona isinkwa lepoloni ngathi today
Washo wathi namhla under nose ministries ichunyayelwa nguwe.
vele le game yakona ngisayikhumbuli dog ngisokadlisa vele because my mind was on that fucking baloney bruh. And then ndoda zathi sekuyisikhathi sokuthi kudliwe vele ophiwa 5 slices kumbe kwakuyilana amapoloni yabona slice iyo lana ngama ophiwa 5 slices cup ye juice lokungama okuyi2 kuphela ukuyabo kucake njani kya angakufaka esento kwesinkwa ngathi 3 bites ngeza ngikuzwa mina lokho ngakukhipha ngadila lesinkwa ngase ngisala ndila lakho
Adila lakho nyoro bro.
ndila lakho kids. But yeah, this is story sami se
Epoloni.
Wena kuyini ukudla ufisa ukudla umncane wagcina usudlela khona somdala?
isexy mongi.
Ayazi into zabantu abadala mina. Ayazi into zabantu abadala.
Waqela nini ukuyidla?
Ekwini.
Poloni.
Ipoloni.
Bajenzi nalintsheti lonke lapha swala futhi ayitheme i1 uthi kuthiwa.
Mina ngikhumbuli ngizama ucabanga but angikhumbuli.
Mina vele mina manengi even yabona ichahon lelane le chocolate.
Hayi chawo nile chocolate lesabe wela abantu abani la manje sisaba wena. Ngike
Bro,
ama
mina I've just remembered. Into engangihawukela and I regret ngamfuna ukudla ama brain flakes. Yabona ama advert lana ayijali kuphuma lapha uzithiwa corn flakes, brain flakes. So yabona abe phuma a brown. So I was thinking, hey, into le chocolate
Endiqinisile. Endiqinisile. Well, mina now that I am older, I found out ukuthi ama brain flakes ayenzwa ngani, and I gotta tell you guys. Iskuba. Literally iskuba.
Yeah, I heard.
Iskuba i-brand. Ama brain flakes iskuba. Abantu basishayinela ngeskuba.
Awusabechayi isikhiwa kuphela.
But iskuba vele sinceda nge-digestion. That is why usizo gogo abaningi besithi yini ngophalenta labo roller meal ababafuni. Because ophalenta labo roller meal angazi bakhitshwa iskuba. Yikho befuna umgayiwo leskuba. And then that helps with it. So very my brain flakes are so swag. Ngabantu abehle ukaka. So this is if you're gonna remember 2 things from today. Umuntu odla ama brain flakes engakushayineli. 1 uyehle ukaka, 2 udla iskuba. This is why we do this podcast, to educate the people on important topics like this. On important topics like this. Yeah, but mina le lokuzeninde le. Chaho nileneli. So anyway, ipoloni i-revenge ile majenzi. Ansakwanisa ukuyidla kathesi.
Akusavumi.
Hayi ipoloni ngiyiboxile dog. Ipoloni ngiyiboxile sengimdala vele bensenzi ikhululeka mzala.
Lento engicabanga. Siqhubekele.
Sifuna ukuyizwa into oyicabangayo.
Usuyakhuluma indaba yepoloni. Le story lokho engisicabange. Yo ngazikhuluma abantu babasazi.
Ngesani ngesesikolo sakho futhi?
Esikolo sami sisilani?
Okay, haya kuthi.
Esikolo sami oh.
Manje last week usixoxele story sesikolo sakho.
All right. No, into engicabangayo nje. Indaba yepoloni la.
Khuluma vele story sakho mongi man.
Ngikhumbula lo myoseke ipoloni ngezothiwa yenza into oyenza ngini.
Wayevakatshile. Ngumuntu ayevakatshile.
Nikho kwinkombeni lekhosi yathi.
Uyasazi.
Ngakhuluma ngibizo. I didn't say
Kuzamele ngedithela mama jensi lithini. Tshela mina lithini.
Siqhubekeni. Yikho into le bengicabanga nje.
Mina vele ngiyahle ngiye ngikhaya. Mina ngenza njalo ngiyahle ngiye ngikhaya.
Do you know like story sasokuthi khululeka mzala usithethe nga okay breeze? I'm not sure whether like was started at the same place like yeah, do you know the meme ekuthiwa ngikhululeka mzala?
Siphi?
Okay, there's a guy like Joya Buvakachile essay is your first time. Befike bethi khululeka mzala.
Thulile isinkwa singaka lepoloni.
Wayilwana Jackie one slice.
Why sidla isinkwa ngepoloni? No ipoloni ngesinkwa.
Le wenza njalo.
Ipoloni ngesinto.
Into yenza ngini.
Kwathiwa yenza into amajensi lingaboyenza njalo. Lingaboyenza njalo akho right khona.
Wayefuna ukukhululeka umzala.
Uchaza
Umzala bemfaka endaweni yakhe.
mahle belolaka uchaza abantu ngani.
Ndawuphi umzala kayibukele podcast.
Yakwazi bro. Yakwazi bro, age of abantu sometimes all my behavior are very performative. And sometimes all my behavior are performative where you can tell ukuthi look is not really about the situation. As kufana lani, yeah, this is a good example of very performative behavior that people do. Kwenye isikhathi yathi usince use club, unce use cotton. Ubusungena etoilet usiyachema. Yathi ngena etoilet usiyachema ngeke le member yabi branch phakathi. Remember then yathi branch ince yabi gijimiswa isiso. Uze sokusithi pra umze sithi umangalani.
Like emiyethusa phela into yenzayo.
Hayi phalokhiyana soku ususenzela thina abanye toilet ukuthi sibona ngani lawe kathi umdidi lo usungenzela le bantwini. Wena uhlala ucheka kodwa yabo.
Disappointed.
No, because let's be honest, umangalani dog. Is it your first time ukucheka?
No, but I think it's that situation yokuthi usujayele ukuba ngini ukuthi yakhululeka khona yabona. So into leyani yokuthi like
Hayi angiyazi. But ungathi ususenzela thina lapha. Sifuna thina lethi ngathi uchomlo la ngani namuhla ziyam surprise.
I think i-reaction nje yeshock yokuyangeka nje nalani yokuthi abasebenzile.
Esathu sound phela
So
unga expect.
Exactly.
Ipoint yami ukuthi then it's performative. You're not really shocked that you are ushaya machine gun kill. You know what I'm saying? Alikazeli wazi abantu abahuda bethi
Ngiyaqala ukuzwa.
then inge kubo cherry ku different ema toilet ethu. Athi namajida amangala.
Like I saw a reel this week eyomunye uCherry okade eshayi content etoilet kulomunye laphana uCherry SS69 la wathi
Indaba yenza kumelela uthi ngubone. Senza kumelela.
Same thing labantu uthi umuntu yabehamba lo mntwana omncane. Then umntwana omncane seqasa ku la esongathi ngwasi namhla sengene kuyini. Uyabona abantu abanjalo?
Khona kuyinto yakhe.
Into yakhe lo. Laba sibonga kwenzela ukuthi maybe you're actually right ukuthi okunye sokuphuma zinhloni. Sokuphuma zinhloni ukuthi alo kathi lokuthi uzithwele futhi.
Uthathwa futhi.
Usiya ngichazela usiya. uCardi B.
Oh yeah. Ayina la yenza kakhulu. Yo.
But what's that? I saw people doing like a chart. Was it? Oh, it wasn't you. It wasn't you. I saw someone posting a chart here ukuthi ubani ngubaby daddy kabani kodwa unomntwana loba akubona ngeke kana uzilandeli wena ezama.
No.
I think Ciara why do I keep saying Ciara?
Yamkhumbula nje.
Into semdala yazi. What's her name? Cardi B. She's currently pregnant and her baby daddy already has like 3 or 4 other baby mamas. And some of those baby I forgot, dog. Actually, I forgot. But it was like a really i-chart yakona dinkulu because athi labo Future, labo Bow Wow, labo Ciara ngana abantu bakhona bonke ba share no baby mama labo baby daddy. Like him having the 3 or baby mama, one of them nalawa sebesimshare. And then when uyabulo umnye baby mama wakho oke wamithiswa nguSteven ngabo Steven la yabe semithisa like within us dog like akabantwana abangu 27.
Which into ekhuluma last episode siqale zino.
Ukuthi
ukuthi akusachata sokuphonga ushawana nje.
Hayi Hollywood waqhaza kudala lo.
So ukuthi bengachaya 8 bachaya nge1 8 wonke.
Brand A1. Bambe beqhubelana. Kanti vele thina lapha ivini but ke songani sesi lapha kuna ama celebrity intersections lapha. Hayi but hayi asiyekeleni leba ngani.
Singabuza wena celebrity.
Manje mangalani.
La uzemangaliswa wakho umtiti.
Thakweni, phela sokuthola ingoma yakhe yeSox. Simeleleni.
Ingoma yakho nomesoksi. Ama lyrics lana bro. Mina you must remember.
Enzi lokho esazama esokisini. Uhamba njani? Condom esok, i-condom lesokisi ungenana njani?
Nje buthi station la. Pardon, uthini
Oh! Alright, angayizwisi siphela ingoma lokho ngizama phela ucabangisa sohamba njani.
Mina sithi umfana egazi songamphuma endlini yabambile ukuze ngilithi.
Uthi ya esokisini.
Xa umzingelo serious usuke endlini ethwele aromat.
Wow. Hayi marinate.
Yeah,
Kodwa
so
xa
anyway,
eblind akala mkhonto okwazi uthuvi.
Umkhonto njani?
ale ikhulumile le.
Kalakatha.
Mongi phela mina la vele asila intro actually.
Bomili bekhona.
Hayi but asila angikwazi. Afuthi phela awuyazi liyanisa engangiyenza lo mgcino. Ladies and gentlemen. What was it? Ladies and gentlemen.
Oh,
Nathi ladies and gentlemen. Sithi ladies and gentlemen. Ngithi boys and girls. Sithi fine.
sizayenza next week right. Qhubeke. So labo besengibesenzani besingarekhodi besenzani?
Sika record. Alright.
Sebe sixoxa.
Bese sixoxe. Alright, sesiqalisa ukurecord.
Hayibo.
Ngiyakutshela. Lefana itshela istory ngiyandi semchoveni ngezomnyuba befonini esithi abanephizana amaphepha bheke egcwele endlini. Ngiyazidlalela. It's a made up story. But I can't wait ukuba timer. Ukuhamba ngikhuluma amabhaza njalo mfana. Mina umuntu onjengami nxa uzajola lami, you must always be ready ukuyangiswa in public.
Aye, why?
Cuz what's the fun? Where's the fun if I can't embarrass you? Offer?
Alright, uyabona embarrass njani khona la?
Lokhana ukufana lokumzali lokhana ukuthi lokhana ukuthi kuthanga umzali kunokunuka manje. Sebe fryer.
Okunukelela kumbe okunukayo.
Okunukelelayo. Ngani sebe fryer amabhega la.
Njezo uzilambile wena.
Lokhana ukuthi akuloku okuyimbali alikwenzile lokhana ukuthi kuyimbarasi ichere yakho la just okama vibes. Yimi ngedwa.
Jake, these people are emotional beings, Jake. So there are very few chicks that you'll date that will understand that.
Wena
That
awuza
vele
kube
umsebenzi wakho
boyfriend.
ukungiyangisa ebantwini.
Engiyangise ebantwini.
But not in like angikhuluma ukuyangisa ebantwini sengidakiwe sengizichemele lokhana is fucked up. But
No,
like in a playful, in a clowning kind of way.
Hayi mina babengiyangisa nje mawumise grab omunye usithi nansa boyfriend yami
Hayi, look,
girlfriend.
Aloke kuyangisa lokho aya. Aloke kuyangisa lokho.
Ngikho mina ukuyangisa engikwaziyo.
Not like that, man.
Ngikho phela ngokutsho ithi mina zayo bengiyangise phela khona okuchazayo phela lapha.
Not like that. I mean like maybe him get the clown. Maybe him get the clown.
Abazake bekumumuza intamo emphakathini.
Ukasi lokhana uthi nxa umchovu usufika lapha.
Umumuza uqawo.
Sisithi bye bye baby.
Athi
Umchova uvuleke so.
akuthi mncwa.
Manje ninalijala ukuvalelisa nekiss. Manje William Taylor uselicheckile manje.
Lapho uindebe sefuna ukuhamba bengasadlali.
Hayi abana ukhiswana lapha. Mina lana lama ngiyenzi. Mina sengakukhisa inkinda ngasivalelisana. But lapha umchova mawusuthe
Speaking of indaba yaba William Taylor nale, like there's umzukulu wami. Umzukulu wami avele ngokungumlava vele okuncane. Yeah. So like this other day wahamba lo mnyuchero kan. Wamgadisa. Next day wahamba lo munye wamgadisa. The other weekend sehamba lo munye yabona into lana yokuthi yathi lihamba lonke lapha. Uwindi lokho ebizela wena ubususithi asikagadi uwindi se frustrated ukuthi yena ubona icustomer wena ufuna igadisi uthi yabuloko busy batshintshanisa khona apho ngabagadisa umntu.
mina siyalwa. Actually sengigada sesihamba sonke. Asengihamba la windy wakhona. Anje ngisathi sesehlisile amalokuze nini? Kuthiwa nabo ususothile lapha.
Uzwile?
Akula nxa kungela zwana awonhle ngikhulume mina. Either burger ngangena burger even like ama lamb chops or ama pork chops abeyiswi.
Pastor. Evuthiweyo please.
ayisuyophekayo.
No, ish.
Ngaye ngathi
No,
lalela.
I understand that. Ngiyakhuluma. Nti evuthiwe usasithi ayisuyopheka. So wena ngophambanisa.
Ngaye ngathi ngisamwe ngezomnye umasalo ethenga amabanana ndoda. Wabe sithi wena phutha amabanana akho la amnandi. Ubhuti wathi mama ayisime mpheka amabanana mina. It's like ngiyabakwazi njani ibanana limnandi. Ngicela baba liyababa. Ngaye ngathi niserenkini. Sengiyenza ngikho izitori eziningi kakhulu. Ngaye ngathi niserenkini bro. Yabona erenkini ngale duze la St Patrick's. Kwabe kudlula omnye umjida. Wabe kwakulosisi wayethengisa time ekhoneni. Wabe sithi kunjani siswami? Usisa sithi right. Wasithi wethengisa inetwana la. So wasithi wasithi okay uyithengise mina ngiyifuni. Wabe dlula hamba. Live dog.
Bantu banjalo.
Ngathi what a fucking scorcher. Right, so anyway, kade ngile topic lapha this week. Akade sithi ngizayibringa up to amajita. Into lesisake sayikhuluma futhi before. But alright saqala ngalesithi khwapkhwap. Into lengangayikhuluma indaba yama-will.
Yaman.
Ama-will.
Oh, yama-will.
I-last will and testament. And my question was to you guys, ukuthi lina ama-will lilawo yini? And at what age? Kudala sichunda lapha i-podcasting. Ngifuna ukubuza la ukuthi lina ama-will lilawo yini? And at what age?
Mina ngi-on events kuphela.
Uthethe happy on events uphi? Ufana nalami.
Yazozanga uthengile OnlyFans kuphela. That's really what I thought he had said.
No, vele ngithi ucabanga into ezingasi.
So lithini, alright? So lithi umuntu akayenzi will only ese-own izinto ezi
Khathi ungafaki ufakani ku-will lakho.
awuvalelisa abantu. Awufuthi already password yefoni. Angikwazi.
Okay, I think when it comes to you, Will, you can put it in such a way yokuthi even ungela lutho, you just put your assets allow in percentages. Okay, izinto zami zonke engilazo 25% aziye kumasalo, 10% aziye kumebras, the rest is hambe kumfazi wami or abantu abami, something like that. Then when you pass on into leziana, they just consolidate them and put a cash value on it. Then they split everything according to your last will and testament.
That doesn't happen nje. Yathi uphenduka lapho uthole umbhuti wakho seqoka iskipa sakho.
Uphenduka
Mina uphenduka uzokwenzani?
usephenduka usephi?
Wena iwill layo.
Iwili lani vele.
Because at what age?
I know, I'm not think kule age into lana.
So at what age? Are you not old enough to have a last will and phela wena usu-age ukuthi usungafa. Abantu
Naye ngafa ngicala ingcobe le phone yami.
Yeah, lami khona.
Akunye is fine. Ngathatha. But ifone yami ngicala ifake eceleni kwami.
Uyahamba le engine iscreen esifuna ukusisebenzisa.
Asitshela le cover, le charger.
Ngalichela.
Lento le futhi yokuthi umuntu ungasefile sebesala besebenzisa i-Instagram yakhe. Angazi ngokwama celebrity. What's your take on that shit dog? Because ngibona abantu becomplain account ka-Costa Teach.
Nesebenza.
Ndoda manje ka-Costa Teach ngani active. Yabona ka-Mega every now and then poster like something to do with what do you call this? Like a tribute or just keeping fans, updated with new merchandise. Or okay, the album has reached this many streams. But ka-Costa Teach ngani active. Wena ungafa, wena mina kodwa ngafa ngafuna yami isale active. Yahaya umuntu.
Dilithani yonke into. Hayi dilithani fani phone yami coffee.
Kade ufihlane efonini.
Awufihli lutho.
Ayisini laba last week kade lisithi nalishoot indunu lena la.
Hayi ayilandunu sibili. Ngifuna ungena la mfo uyisebenza.
Fihlani. Kanje uzufile ngathi Kanje uzufile ufihlani.
Ngifihli lutho.
Uyafana ifoni wena.
Namfu uvale. Cabanga sebevula ifoni kodwa kodwa sho umntwana lo.
Yakwazi kumele senzeni. Ifoni yakumele ube le app yokuthi ngake uloga in 1 week.
I heard there's a setting yokuthi like if I are tagged by many people kule RIP, rest in peace, something related to death, your account automatically deactivates. So if there are a lot of people that take you and say RIP, bekhulume kungani kuba le certain number of posts about it, your account automatically deletes itself.
Akusitholele phela inamba kula mama account vele kumele evalwe la. Chris Extend kumele bevalwe la. Just get 100 people to say RIP.
But sokusiya nxa ekusethile. Nxa engakusethanga sesingatshona RIP.
Wona ngiyasethela.
Yes, when you're still alive, you just put it on your account. I have to do a research on that though. Then I can.
So
tell you guys.
you lay modern version in last will and testament.
Bacobuza kodwa nxa bethe account yakho wena sufile bathi kuzayenzakalani.
Kayenza reposta yona automatically.
Speaking of people who passed away, obviously, I think we said this we posted it on our pages, on podcast pages, le BYO podcast. As a podcast, we'd like to send our condolences to your family. RIP, I think, very family, community, and as a city, we really lost a true patron. Is it a patron of the arts? Someone who really, because even Loguwe podcast, like I remember it was one of like our first really big boosts. And he's always been a serious fan.
Yeah. He's been talking about it and on his name. Like when I come across him, he always mentions something about blah. He was always a vibrant character, man. You know, like even now Kuluma, sometimes it's unbelievable. You kind of like speak about him like he's still there, man.
Yeah. He was really larger than life. And into nyefanke ngiyibonile yenza ke leyo. Ba revistove la ve cotton la.
Aqeda athi
6 plate. Review 6 plate la baba di
Sethuka sonke.
Wena ubumazi sikonje?
Yeah, not kakhulu. Bakhona lokho.
Or you knew of him?
Ngisondeza.
You knew of him?
Yeah.
I realized everyone had, everyone in mostly industry, almost everyone had like a personal story. Like, look at how the Rockstar wasn't a joke, dog. That guy really was, because I saw almost a lot of people that are active in the industry. I saw everyone had a story about a crazy night out. And I remember 2018, I think, our birthday got ASAF. SRC celebrating Red Cafe, and
lapho na uposte khona picture yakhe intamo yakhe isaqake west.
Abana bangangena emaphilizini majenza amaphilizi asebenza.
Awuqaswa wasebenzisa karesa. Siqinile manje.
Idog yayisingehlula phela. So ngani mama liyangilimaza ngiyadlalela. So wakuyi birthday ka
Qiniso.
Wakuyi birthday ka ASAF. And then uSikonjo wethu the cake and I think if he got there and then he's like, "See, lagcwala kangaka. Umnani kangaka." And then I'm like, ibirthday ka Chita. All right, sweet. Bought a couple drinks, he left, and then he just came back at 20 cake on your plate. But he sing a kung fu style. Was a solid fucking.
You know, like that guy was very big on cakes if you realize. Like I think I've seen 4 videos of him sebenzang a cake, like not speaking on weddings, like on occasions. There's this other city council event icona. If you remember I think it was the third umcimbi wabantu.
Oh
yeah, like I think that's when he popularized that word umriviti. Sitting a cake is umriviti.
Umcimbi wabantu so ngaphi. Awubukhulu into ngazaziyo.
I wish kule pattern lokufaka inyeza.
Umcimbi wabantu le.
Umcimbi wabantu. Khona bese ngifuna ukuzwa umcimbi wabantu. Oh yini?
As mtala, every time you tell us a story as you realize your age, bro.
Man, fuck you, man.
So hanji right?
Umcimbi wabantu ngakade umcimbi wabantu bukhona 2018 my chance. Maybe the last one was like 2018. Yenge uyaboni
umcimbi wabantu.
Uyaboni I shut down. He shut down.
So the 2018 yango form 2 J.
Hamba ngini wena vela ngaselichoni.
You was 14, man.
Hala ngaselichoni na mangini wena. Wawukhona uhawukela ipoloni wena ngo 2018.
angeke ngikhuluma ukuthi ngangifuna umbaba.
Umcimbi wabantu wawufana le shutdown bro. Yabona i-shutdown. Yeah, but wawusenziwa i-Skies Metro. And wawuhlala use
City or car park lase White
White
City.
City.
Uzibona ukuthi vele indawo ezasenzakala khona ku wrong kabi. Aligugile iliqiniso, it's fine, as moving on.
Okay, when since City is Kukile, right? At least tell us something ngobuncane bakho that you remember about Ubabongile Skhonja, because Ubabongile Skhonja like
right.
he interacted
Yeah,
with every age, with every age. So like maybe you've seen on TV, social media or whatever. Like what can you say you remember about Ubabongile Skhonja?
Yo man, let me read this message also. Obukhuluma kule message engifuna ukuyibala la.
Ngobuncane bami. Nobe ngebe nsizwa alright abantu bekhuluma nje ukuthi hayi was actually a nice person. Mina personally I can say uthi nyamazi like that. Yabo. Ngebe nsizwa nje abantu bekhuluma. Ngaza ke ngichayisane layo.
Mana mbali message le. Timna ntani basefonini but into zami eziningi sebezibhala efonini. Someone sent me a message. Othiwa nguTendai Maphosa. He's now in the UK. He said, so I posted with Skhonja, this is the guy that got me into music production. I was inspired by the work he was doing at Cat House back in 2002. 2002. That's how long Skhonja have been active. That guy's been around for generations now.
Do you know of a group called Bowlers League? When yes, I thought you would.
Finally. Kulento la engayaziyo yakudala.
Okay, like Bowlers League was a group of DJs that was led by Ubabongile Skhonja. I think there was Kananjo Slema, Kid Wicked, and they used to play mostly. Okay, Mongi, do you know Joke and Settle? Okay, Joke and Settle is Cosmopolitan right now.
Joke and Settle.
No. Forget it. Or I said living was why Cosmo.
Go we race course.
Yeah, I know you by race course that I know, but
yeah, so you really pioneered a lot of DJs during that time. So like for me, Uzengibe was like those DJs at that time. Try Jokes and Settle. It was because of Ubabongile Skhonja. Yeah, one and yeah, those guys they really knew how to bowl. I just hope bowler but in this new generation.
I see who in Binga kat. Angwas. Kati liti kwenza these days.
Bowlers.
Yeah, Bowlers League. Now Skhonja is really through every era. Every guy I know has had some direct contact with him. Even kule mnyaka yakhe lane limousine there. Why lo limousine bile? Already mnyaka limousine liyas. Okay, yeah, but it's still
he always had long cars, if you can put it that way.
Limousine rapper. But yeah, once again, tomorrow, but I think by the time this comes out anyway, he would have been late to rest in Gwanda. So I think Saturday, we were Gwanda. Love, I'm just speaking in future tense, but by the time this comes out, he already would have been late to rest. And tomorrow, which is Friday, we have to say amphitheater. So I'm going to go there. I think Liana is gonna be a really good send off. Because I think Calvin also his send off was in Amphitheater.
Yeah, it was.
But that was during lockdown, wasn't it?
Yeah. I think it was now level 3. Yeah.
2020. So that's why for that one I wasn't around. But yeah, once again, our condolences to his family and his friends. All of us lost someone here who was a big icon in the city and will forever be one of the most dominant voices that we had. And he actually had a hand in also helping this podcast gain momentum. So we really would be amiss if we didn't say, Ulale Muktula, Butomdala, thank you so much for everything that you did. And yeah. Singayibamba khona apha ngithi. Singabamba khona. Right. Anyway, sorry emergency. Ngiyabemba before yami la.
Bese simoshi imali phela, bese simotional.
So, ubakhona yini lapha abake ba data multiple people at the same time? Asi body any mic sifuna ukuzwe yes no.
Yeah, everyone mele ekhulume especially ngahle. Hlala bethule.
Antoza edit my voice.
All right. When yakho nzayifaka ibhonga.
Yes.
You've dated multiple people at the same time?
No.
No.
Yes.
Ela meqisi.
I didn't trip on that.
Sesi answer it.
Edit my voice.
Sesi answer. Do it again.
No. Owenthe no waqeda wangikhangela move on impilo.
Bonke okay. Lona lawo lokuzile. Okay.
Lokele angamboni le light line. Sithi
When do you think you've been maybe in a relationship where lale banengu
I never.
yeah.
Damn. All right. So that's the second part of my question. The first part is
Wait. What's your answer?
hayi khona savuyela.
Oh.
Umantshi uyabuzwa. Umantshi kawuzwa. Right. So ngilibuzela ngathi if you dated like multiple people at the same time, two going up. Tolelabo yes is Tolelabo no. Now, the second part of that question is, do you think you've ever been in a situation where lale baningi wena ungakwazi? Ungu multiple.
Thongo mathi.
Eish, wakubuhlungu njani?
What discover?
I discover twice.
Akona ubuhlungu.
Yes. Lami nga discover
Kudlala baningi.
too much.
Damn it.
Abanjaya 10-0 mthana.
So when I was watching 10-0 kodwa uzakuchaya 10-0. I think
Azawo revenge.
Hot Boy Summer is on the way for you, my man. You have to cook something for the streets. The city boys cannot be down and out. So kwaba ku multiple.
Yeah, ngathi lokho ngisalungiselela ukuyancenga ngizothiwa seloshweliwe. Hey.
Enhlekweni. Sebili cranberry yami.
God damn it.
Eish.
Anxa khona ufushe istory sakhe ngashare.
Ela ayis.
Mina senga experience both sides of that coin. Uthini?
Ngithi cranberry kamongi le. Tshona
Yeah,
ngibona
yini?
ku YouTube phela.
Cranberry.
Uyazela ku YouTube.
Yasena ku YouTube.
Cranberry yami le.
Ni cranberry kamongi le. All right, ukhona ubusitshela ukuthi kwahamba njani yena or what discover njani?
Actually, I was dating this other chick, and I was so madly in love. And I was like, you know, virginity, yomfana, heartbreak, and yeah, that was my heartbreak. And Alana, the girl I'll never forget for breaking my heart. Anyway, asastandana kwaba mnandi, then there was some distance. Oyesehlala eHarare. You know, sikhuluma ngongakabi WhatsApp, sasikhuluma ama text at that time.
Udalisendeki.
Dude, ngangithenga i-juice card lama text. Akwazi kwakule juice card lama text mongi. Kwakuthiwa TXT. So anyway, ngangithenga.
Man, fuck you guys, man. Fuck these fucking guys.
It's very ndura lezi.
Kama fosi.
Njengoba kwasingabafana abancane njani nje. Thina saqasa I think saqasa ukukhumbula too early empilweni yethu.
Pho amafoni ana engeni ilokuze i-startup
Alikho kuma 35 36.
Uthi Siemens, ubuza ngeSiemens umfana.
Itelesal isathiwa yimango.
Imango, ibhadi. Yazi imango. Itelesal uthiwa imango kudala. Kusachisa Siemens eyiblue leya.
Itel one isathiwa yi-easy core.
Yeah.
I-connected two lines yayile liberty, liberty.
Yeah, iliphathi.
inethwani sase-green and purple so.
Green lafana ise green and purple.
Like green on the other side,
Imango,
purple on
orange
the other
orange.
side.
But yeah.
It was orange and blue with a bit of green. But
Bamba
anyway,
njani mthatha?
but anyway, so ngawuhlala yena lana texting back and forth, you know, then i-communication yaba slow even ngithengile i-airtime yabo. Then ngathi maybe umuntu kasela phone or what, yabona. Then ngabe ngimbona e-town koBulawayo this other esebuyile.
Engawutshelanga.
Mina baby.
Ooh.
Umuntu wathi hi, a dry hi. Ngathi kume maybe she's shocked. Ngathi khona athi ngathi I've been trying to talk to you. I know sengila iphone ngangingela phone, but anyway ngaba like dali phone. Now long ubule phone. It's been 6 months now ngile phone. Mina
So belile 6 months la kakhulu.
9 months.
Price la.
La ulethemba.
Hayi.
was a boy, man. I was a boy.
Ah, no. Uthotho wasebelethile lokubeletha.
I was like
Ungakwazi.
19.
That's just too fucking long, dog. Wamthole cheater.
This is the story. Like, I know, man, I'm thinking that the baby's back. Man, I'm calling me like. Then I call her and I was up out. I know I'm home. Then ngabe ngigada mina
Ah,
imshova.
but ngidizela imisa netown wayechicha yini.
Yeah, like why
Why
ngihamba
Jacob
losiso
Muniz?
wakhe so ngangingakwazi.
Wayeja kuyamunyisa mdala.
Wow, utshela iqiniso.
Wasebelethile no. Khuluma.
Eish. Anyway,
Apple, thank you so much.
then mina angagada umshova nginga-invitewanga. Ngahamba mina ngibo laphana. Nganokho umuntu waphuma Jake wangiyamukela phandle. Yabo, babe ushapo, Jake. Anyway, all right. Anyway, what's new? Yabona like conquer le 9 months. No, mina what's new? Mina sengilomjita mina. Wathi mina ke wathi Jake ukuthi think mina sokwaphila.
Kodwa yole 9 months ulethemba.
Mangutshele.
Imagine.
Wena yakho le ayisikho nokuthi lali baningi. Unongasekho kuphela.
No.
Awasekho.
This guy just-
Semkhansini.
Lapha
Yeah, he just
engadiscover
wasn't in
khona
the
ukuthi here is the twist manje. Like then ngesikhathi kwaphana sensithi mana ncenge phela maybe senganzwela nje angiko nokuze. Then the sister angizwele nje. Angiko kunye kuyichazi man, come
Oh,
on.
BCP.
Then umuntu ngabe mfona kwabe ku-answer usisi wakhe. Then usisi wakhe ngathi ngisithi ngicela ukukhuluma la ya. Then wathi uzibani ufuna ukukhuluma lawe. Kanti lokho lithandana yini. But she mentioned ibizo elingasolami and ibizo elingasoka guy osevele esekhona. Yeah.
What is shit?
Ngahle ngezindlebe ingasaboni bra.
Shit. Situation yakho.
But anyway, ikhama yamshaya because the guy that was in the picture was moneyed. Wamshaba faka ishoti, wambalekela waphika umntwana.
Eish.
Yeah. I'd be like that sometimes. It'd be like that. I wanna very uhle waphendula what my next question was gonna be. Uthi wena abantu who did you dirty in relationships, are you keeping tabs on them? And are you still looking to get your lick back? Or move only?
I'm not movile.
Awumthayimeli ukuthi lo ikhama izamsotha le.
A very
Awulabanye sibila looking sababophela umoya until one day.
a very short story. Omnye
One
wayethuke
day.
wena manje ude girlfriend yakhe emafonini nje.
Hayi story lesimele ibe side lesi. Hayi story lesinganemele ibe side lesi. Yena futhi kwangamanye udzawaziyo yini kumbe yena? Kwakuyi fresh
And into
content.
lana yokuthi labelile nudeli one lifana like the exact same picture. And it's not a situation where like awo lawo
iPhone
lalo.
sithi usashare igroup. Uthi create igroup. Mawushela abantu abaningi. Uthi create group.
Kumbe uhle broadcast kawani.
Sizibone sesifakathi.
Eish.
Hayi mina le angazi ngayihandla njani. Inudile. Hayi.
Uthi athi delete for me.
Mana bayasokuthile lapha.
Akusela story.
Majenzi. Azangikhumbuza isinye story yazi. Ukuthi nakani le story zi. Kule group engiyo.
Tell us.
Igroup labantu abadala nje. Okolonye umama wasenda ivoice note ngemistake into. Ivoice note le aqala uyilalela. Hayi ngizibuza ukuthi kuhamba njani umuntu uyafrya. Umuntu okwana ushwa. But then as the voice note continues uyezwa ukuthi umuntu ochemayo. So mama lana ngani wayengena etoilet echema. Umuntu omdala. But ifone yasipress
In record.
real talk Jake into le yakazi ngayithike efonini yami ngilayo. Ngathi ngibona ekucine nje usen Bu? Dota ngahlala ngazama le headache dota. Like I couldn't fucking believe what I was listening to.
Onidinga negroup nabantu abadala.
Hayi imbuzo le ngeke nguphenduke ngahlekwanga futhi lapha so sitshalile. Ngizahleka la.
Pho I say that day usendi lokhuzeni ne Mr. Wawusende negroup ngathi. Into wayesende group yini?
E podcast. Ngangilinyeya lonke. Ngalinyeya ngahlali
Maybe wawusende into zeni esija usendele group yini yabantu abadala.
Yeah, but it wasn't something deep, but I was just something lokhuzeni enganise society. Ngoba nomnye ne story lapho uthi wa discover njani ukuthi baningi kumbe khathi liyesaba kathi.
Xa uzwe samalovolo.
I-podcast le vele ngombile 20 viewers dok akala muntu ozasibona istory le.
Awula muntu tshela thina.
Wena kuphelela la baro.
Yes safe. Venta sukulalela. Uzinathele lo i-cranberry. Khuluma phela hawu.
Akukhanya lokho esalembila.
Hayi sekhuluma. Shh.
Right. So
Kazacela sakhuluma ngoba lonke selihleka.
ngoba le ndoda lihlekwa.
Nganqoba le ndoda lihlala imekele yini guys.
Ngikhulume one word abathi.
Abantu abawuthanda bawuhleka.
No. All right. We got rid of our system.
Into ebuhlungu lapha ukuthi I thought I was wrong. Yabo. I thought I was wrong.
I actually know that one, dog.
So
no, I'm saying I know that feeling,
Oh,
like that specific feeling.
oh yeah. So khona ngangi wrong vele, but ngabona ukuthi ngangi wrong okuncane to a lesser extent. To a lesser extent, yabo, because mina njani? Mina I receive a phone call, yabo. Indaba naleske sayikhuluma multiple partners lana I receive a phone call, yabo. Phone call lana intwana yena sengimkhapha yabo, yaphuma lapha endlini. Ngene phone call mina lona sephumile egedini bana pho ngianswer lapha real quick ngithi yaka manje siyangale yasengiqedile karong umuntu uphumile waphenduka
walalela
walephenduka wangithola mina vele ngikucall ngapha i-video call ngapha sokujumpisa cause I can't just drop the call vele sokuthi
vele useveliwani iqanda lapha ngoba ngabhayiza oyithiwa yafa
exactly yabo ngabe ngiseve iqanda eliku video call cause aliboni ukuthi kwenzakalani but leli seliboni
Eliwani vele sokufika
iqanda lami libele sithi wena njani bonile lapha kwenzakaleni but ngizakubamba
uzibona nihlakaniphi
mina zambamba bonke hayi whatever mfethu akuhlala nga 1 month ngisathi hayi yabona lokho ngizancenga lapha umuntu selosholiwe so that's also a discovery route high but very
because
it can't just be khonapho so eshaya that's kind but
wena kahle umuntu lo wahlwa mniki ilokhuzeni
exactly ukuthi mina I'm not the one
wathi mniki excuse vele umbuzo wami ubise yakhona ukuthi yazi ukuthi isikhathi dog i-catalog mayigcwele kakhulu
sedinga indlela yowafula
ndoda vele usudinga indlela ku-offload i-inventory so
babemdingela imistake
ngutshele dog
bavele wathi
uthola ukuthi ukhona umuntu oswakuthi owabuthandana laye elapho ngu-break up fani ndoda lawo bongizitshela ukuthi but
iku-situation nale phefuna enxeba
into engasibrekisa up yona leyo
kambe sure like
into ekhona is too small ukuthi into la break up ngayo
exactly la namhlanje lokho ngisaliyambuza uthi
there we go
what the fuck
there we go i-roster iyabigcwele lapha and umuntu yabe sevele sedinga something yokuthi
encane nje la namhlanje ngizaphelile but it's fine khama
evele kuthayimele ngento eyi-1 la kugqoka iphenti elifanayo twice
wothi asitshele phela ngekhama
nesami story ngeke ngisikhulume xa sokhala
right khuluma esidala
lesi
esidala isephi
awukazi udiscover or udiscover
mina udiscover anchiti one but udiscover andlala ngidiscover
abafana bakubonile
manje ngifake lesandla so
amajita vele wena vele mana ntuli ive kunezikhalazo kuthiwa last week sasithe siyafaka iyendlu kamongi lapha
angazidlalela
mongi ukudemand
but something zowethu wakukhuluma wathi ayafana ama-gens
fine sathi mana nangu lo right hey awenzeni akwenzeni kwamphefumula inxeba
I-problem nalikhetha abafana into ezi-wrong.
Angikhona uphefumula ngikhuluma u-podcast kodwa ngiyizombi nje. Kuthi ngikhale, kuthi ngigiqike, kuthi ngenzeni angazi.
Abafana phela abanokuzile abathe bona abafuna ukududuza.
Soze bekwanise. Oyi-1 ongakwanisa ungiduduza. Ayahlala. I'm joking. Yazilalela guys yo.
Cooking with the paraffin. Enye into majensi akwazi inxeke yakhanyana mnatho sendifend ufebe whatever. But kulula sometimes ukuvuka usule roster egcwele ungananzeleli. La inxeke le relationship yakade hamba kuhle. Selisilwa lo muntu wakho 1 month la sibona kahambe lwa. Uthola okunye ukuthi ubuloku phusha la. Chasa lo muntu wakho one day usukhona udiscover sekutshela jika mana I was just going through some shit. Angiqeda kuphutshela. But baby ilanga lithi litshona selilungisile indaba zenu. But ulezinye inthoro futhi sezivukile nga.
So yenza njani?
Kuthi kusathi month end uchayisana lesinye esile 4 years sise UK akathi uvela uhlala uxoxa la singakwasi sibuya nini. Sisibuyile laso. And before you know it in a space of month mfana usula ama situation angu 3.
Kusho is celebrity.
Not even. Brian's like ngayenza same situation bro. Like ngangikhuluma someone izinto zishap. Omunye owethutsha sakhulumisana me I'm a nice guy ngathi no everything is nice. But as things went on, turns out me being a nice guy was me giving her an opening. Dugu sengibona ngazathi lapha phela uCherry indlela sekhuluma ngayo. Hi man.
Cherry indlela sekhuluma ngayo.
Hi man.
Lapha sengikhonjiswa la.
Siyaphela imonth mdala ngase ngile 2 3. Kwabuyele 3 ngathi maye. I-roster ikhula just ungananzelelanga.
Ananzelelanga majensi. Awona umuntu ovuka ethi mina mfuka. Ayisikuthi mina ngikhulumela mina. I'm just talking about Ruhleka Mseki.
I'm from experience silalele.
Ruhleka Mseki. Lo jema uplananga nje. So they say ngoba khona okundoda ukuthi yabudo phela kwenye isikhathi futhi kulabanye abantu vele yazi actually yabona yikho last week nothi nxa usuku relationship amaqini ungaba ku relationship amaqini kumele kulama iminyango vele omele uyithi ngxi
nga1 qiniso
ngoba kulabanye abantu nje ukuthi even kwesikhathi level ingabangane oli cordial from a distance but level ngani liyakwazi ukuthi we've never gotten a proper opportunity but I can tell so leyazi into engikhuluma ngayo
one day ayansilalela mina kunza ibe lo one day
lamanga wena.
So are you saying ukuthi you've never been in a situation ukuthi you talk to a nice guy umelele ukuthi akukhombise when you just wait for an opening yokuthi umfake ekhoneni lokuthi la sokuyikho?
Cana ngikhuluma xa selimbamba uthi ngikhuluma abantu but yeah been there. Akuyenza apho umthi ya lo ngani ngasacacana bana nhle ngifake lo.
Ingaveli uthi abule one day abumcheckile umuntu
abumthi one day I want science sangifambula njani wangisa kai
athi uhamba njani kathi wena sekudingena inyanga
yeah
athi bona ngichurch lana eselokuzolini
ngacela ama details echurch la nciche
sexy la
ngacela lami ngihambise ngiphendela
phela ungafika ngathi it's the juice is good
usubuza kakhulu
as they say
maybe athi mphuma sensithi my one and only
phela umfundisi wena kuthiwa sometimes uyageza into itotolozi yakhe ngeholy water and then they say but usuka lapha umendo month end siyakhala
yayenda
bari mnumbuzo uyahlala yini umendo wakho
Umfundisi.
nasingabuza bona
yashelela
nasingabuza bona ngazi ukuthi mina sometimes I wonder ukuthi kule izikhathi wawachiseka ngecherry uthi ngincebe babe kunankile iprompt akuna umuntu ovuma ukuthi unankwengo ngekhemo
amebheka ungakubona
but
vele ngeke usebenza njani ngicela ngipha ama link
wena ngoso ngatshela thi
ngidinga ilink
vele futhi wayokuhlalwa ngamafazi abadlisa amajita akhona amajita adlisa abafazi
asangaze khona
bakhona maybe
I don't know how far true it is, but when Amongi, since you're late, you can tell us.
onje wazuza izistories
uthi indoda idlisa abafazi
even abafazi abadlisa amadoda
bese abantu bakhuluma into ezenzakalayo nje emhlabeni but I don't know ukuthi liqiniso not
asikwazi phela thina thina samaKristu lasitshele
mina semkristu la ngomsabatha yo
usitshele
na umsabatha I don't know
yebo but ichurch lanze ukuthi ayivaliwe sike sakhuluma ngayo lapha
ngasikhuluma ngayo last week but ngabuza ngechechi la ngcicha ama details egroupini
kuthiwa ivaliwe
Abale?
azidoko ukuthi kanti rapture awufama jenzi
bahambile kusele thina
abahambile ke
abahambile
awuzokuyihiti kwangona ngani
Nawo nje ithi ehlila ngosela uqanda.
Mina
I
phela-
think thina besisithi izolo.
ngaya besiqalisa
Awuboni?
bekuyiwoma pheki
Namhlangani kuwoma kusasa siyaqhubeka.
sasa ziyakhala
Sasa mhla 21 kade uthokoza abamnyama khona njani.
I think he can i-rapture then utsho ungcoba unyama phela
So I think sasa
sebuza-interpreta
uzabamnyama. I think sasa kebe umnyama so vele kusasa ulalanga.
ethi ungangithusi njengoba vele sokumnyama
Ba-
phandle yazi.
Yeah. Sasa kebe kunje. Ecabanga the whole day.
That would be crazy, boy. That would be fucking crazy.
Ask yourself why isola yakhe ibingacharge.
Thola ukuthi. But yanifika njani uDecember engakafiki?
True story, Machenzi. True story. I don't make things up. I swear on my fucking God. I swear on my...
Bese mana nathi ngamuzo sithi my what?
I didn't mean it like that. I wanted to say I swear on my fucking life. Indelezi angiqambi imanga. Kule business meeting akade ngiyo. Real talk. Bekunomuntu omdala khompa othe I am interested. However, can you contact me after mhla ka-25? And then the other person asked why mhla ndoda kuthiwa kulento ze-rapture la. Ngizangena ku-business le.
Kana mhla
Kathi siyavaya. True story, gents. I'm not even lying. Like ngathi ngaze ngafika endlini. Ngaze ngafika endlini. Ngamfonela ubaba wami ngathi uyaconfirm into.
No, ka song uthoke abamnyama mhla 25.
Mhla kabani?
Mhla 25.
Asongathi ubunyama wathi mfundo kuba overcast. Phela into zeBhayibheli nje kwazi
So thola ukuthi sebehambile.
I-timeline esiyisebenzisayo le timeline eBhayibheli ngama-timeline achiyeneyo.
So ubunyama lobo benza lena.
Because a day in the Bible can mean a year. And a year in the Bible can mean a century.
When you pray,
And okunye la khona ukuthi like i-calendar yethu siyajinja kaningi throughout the ages. So you don't really know when that time is. It could be today, yes, but it could be another day.
Masesichaya Gregorian calendar. Khonokho kokwenza iChristianity ibe so nyakwazi ngamaKristu anjani lazi namajensi echurch. Sorry bangani bami. Kodwa
Awona sebevumela phezulu uzothola bechurch.
Yiko kwenza iChristianity ibe yi-slippery slope khonokho because you can easily openly interpret most scripture to fit whatever narrative you have going on. I can prove, or let me not say I can prove, I can actually debate and argue the existence of aliens using the Bible. That's how much you can manipulate. You can interpret the Bible. It's such open, so open-ended. What? Kanti Elijah kuthiwa kwahamba njani ngayo eBhayibhelini? Wathatha kuyini?
inqola yemlilo bro
I don't know if it was like 2000 BC. How else could you explain the
Zababali
flying
beBhayibheli.
saucer? Hayi wena ntshela but 4000 BC wonga explain i-flying saucer njani? Because let's say the fastest mode of transport is your chariot. Ama-light awasiwaboni vele so khathi kulomlilo so wathi kuyinqola ongani kulomlilo so.
Thank you kudala izinto zazisesabisa. Inqola yomlilo. Abanye babona eBurning Bush.
Ngama-alien?
Hey, khoma usitshonja manje susibulala ingqondo
Ngitshela.
don't
Elijah wathathwa ama-alien. Akazange ife.
Mina phela uNkulunkulu akakho. Masitsho njalo.
Azange ngitsho njalo.
Hayi
Do you
into
know,
zangikuyitsho.
do you know two things can be true at the same time? Two things can be true.
I think iBhayibheli asichaneni lalo. Because noma siqala sophika ukukhuluma
eBhayibhelini
eBhayibheli
asiphumeli
siyaphambanisana
ngoba
sonke
ngeke
ingqondo khona la nje eBhayibheli
So la lisinqola yomlilo kuyini?
Asichaneni indaba eBhayibheli.
Ngu-ghost writer.
Hayi
Lithi Elijah wathathwa nguNicolas Cage. Lithini wena?
guys neBhayibheli asichaneni. Navele indaba eBhayibheli yangiconfuse akho so asichaneni.
Yazi
Ngoba
bro.
ngena khona ifaith.
No.
Angathi abafana bakuconfuse awubathini. Hayi ngamangani man. Ngiyazidlalela phoza la. Ngiyazidlalela phoza la.
Ungikhulumisa libhoza lakho mina.
Anje undi yibo abakhwezelayo.
Namhla ngicela iCranberry yona. Yona namhla iCranberry ayiqanda ujikele phela ice. Ala ice.
Kan?
one thing I've realized about iBhayibheli and ungabofaki logic to it.
That's true.
If you put logic to it,
That's true. And that's the concept behind faith. But that becomes a very treacherous terrain as well when you stop asking people to apply logic when you are giving
I
them
think
information.
iBhayibheli writing is valela ngiyo-one.
Ngithe inqola yomlilo kuyini?
Kulokho ekhuluma ngo-Nicholas Cage.
Yayidrayiva ngubani oright isiyanga yamthatha yanga. It was an alien abduction.
No.
That is one of the
Soft
oldest
chariot,
recorded events of an alien abduction we have.
That's why ngisitsho mawusitsho nje uthi uNkulunkulu akakho phela.
Aye, but instead two things can be true at the same time. We don't have
We
to
are not
have,
the only beings that were created by
yeah,
God.
we don't have to have
Alright,
one objective truth.
asikhulume about something else. Cheni lokhu zenini, into lokhu zenini zeBhayibheli ngoba.
Khulume ukuthi uSolomon wayethakatha. Zivukhuma libi iBhayibheli.
Hayi iBhayibheli sakhulumini ngalo. Sikhulumeni ngokunye.
mara Jay, lo mbuzo ngoSolomon.
Seliqalisile.
Wayebadla njani bonke laba?
Wayethakatha.
Kanjani?
Wayethakatha.
Uthi wabayenzani?
Wayebadla njani?
uSolomon welomuthi. It's not even it. That is one of the
So
greatest
do you
witch
think
doctors
uthi
of all
esikhathi
time.
sangikhona wasolo le mithi?
Khathi wena ubona imithi into yazisiye.
I'm not saying uthi yazi
Imithi izihlahla phela. Kanti imithi kuyini? Izihlahla.
Do you know, alright, fine, kunzima ubelieve into zemithi, kunzima ubelieve into zeBhayibheli at this point. Yabona? Kha selikhuluma ngelokhu zenini ukuthi inqola yomlilo, selikhuluma ukuthi ngama-alien. Yabona? Which means akusamele ngisibelieve eBhayibhelini.
but
So kulabo so lento zemithi, imithi yasebenza yena asiwazi.
Imithi yasebenza kathi i-holy water kuyini kathi even echurch ngabe kunompola sonke.
Hayi thina le thitshechela
Kuhlukene la
holy
nemithi konke.
hayi kula holy water imitsheche ingenayo.
Oh, right, it's fine. It's fine, but in Christianity bayisebenza. Kuchene lana namanzi lana bakuchela ngawo so. Like
Cheche ingenayo sichela.
hayi wena ukhulumele yakho. Nanti sesikhuluma ngeChristianity as a whole. Mina lami church engena kiyo phela omama bagqoke amabhrukwe. Does that mean ibhrukwe exists?
Let's sigqoke amabhrukwe.
Also, dog, listen, I say it to you, multiple things can be true at the same time. We never have to have one objective truth. It's not because singavumela intimithi khona sesithi church ayi.
Alright, iBhayibheli asilitsheni move on.
Hayi, lalela.
Yacala silahlisa abanye ifaith ethu la. When sakhuleka lento esizikhulekela.
Hayi.
Yeah, umjolo ukuthwalisa enzima.
Usithi khulekela umjolo. Like usithi ukuthi ngikhulekela umjolo. Amjolo watungisa kazini. So angikhulekeli wona.
Iside yenhliziyo ongene ngayo la ibile dash yomjolo.
Ibiveli ilenga lokhu zenini. Here's another thing that people like saying ngendaba zomjolo, which I feel like is a moronic thing to say. It's not even about indaba zomjolo. People always say it about people. The ones you love will hurt you the most. I mean, people say that shit.
Yeah, it's true.
It's the ones you love that hurt
Okay,
you the most.
it's just the way people think about it. Yabona umuntu omzondayo cannot hurt you emotionally.
True.
But umthandayo can hurt you emotionally because you guys were emotionally attached. You can never be emotionally attached to someone you hate.
Simple as that. I don't understand. Yeah, vela abantu is the ones you love that hurt you the most. That's like saying amanzi aboilayo akuchisa the most. It's like ufu chiswa kanjani? Ngababayo. You know what I'm saying? The only way someone can hurt you is if you love them. Also the usiso chayithili ko greens lavana ekuhethe into ezakugulisa 4 years. But ubabakho nguyoza kuhethe into ezakugulisa 4 years. And people like saying that shit though. So ngiyakuza ngawukhala ngomjolo usithi yazi
Mawuthi ngikhala ngomjolo.
Alright. Osisi ngabe khala ngomjolo ukuthi yazi umfana yakuthanda uyamthanda uyangisa. Vele that's how it works, dog. Ngiyakuyangisa umuntu ongamthandiyo. So it's kind of like it's always like I feel like that statement is a bit of an oxymoron if I'm using that correctly. But anyway.
Check my ingredients.
Jolang mar.
Okay, kule ndaba lana chronicle ya. Lokhuzini. Bekhuluma ngolobhengula street.
Do you wanna read it out loud or should I read it out loud?
You can read it out.
Machensi mina njengami kulobhengula street lapha na. Ngilokutshona khona kabili kathathu. Asibhuqu ngale dog. Asibhuqu bro. I'm a bit happy that they are fixing that strip. But kumele be continue bese befika ngale ku Falls Road. Yabona ngasophuma ngo Makhosi. Ngibona uthi masotsha Ndlovu la.
And imzolo ke sithi masotsha Ndlovu bekuphinde kathu.
Either umdala or so wakhonjwa laba. That's the only because amafleti lana ngiyawazi laba. Kulokuba lama action Bronson laba.
Unwazi njani?
Kunamahule phansi ngalo ufuna ngithi
Uwazi njani phela? Umbuzo wami.
mina usually ngidrive ngisekasi backing ngisahlala emathula.
Awudlula ikhere.
Ngathi ngingambuya ngiyafuna udlule town. So once ngisithi lo Bengula Street ngithi left. Ngihle ngiyebamba First Avenue, Harare Road ngiphume ngikhambe. That's how I used to drive. And mina amajita amaningi ngasekasi. So nganyabe ngithi ngamphuma ekasi. Lapha kulama hula chipile bafana yekela nobhatala $5 etown. Yehlani ngale. 3 mari 2 mari. Kule ndawo ezithengisa ipapa futhi ungamthengela ipapa.
Yabuqedile.
BCC allocates over $1 million to rehabilitate Lobengula Street and 3rd Avenue. Oh, and 3rd Avenue. Also bacha bengene ngomarketing. Bebuyela ngale.
Actually, yabona i-strip lesana esikhangela lapho nokulo nyore.
Nyore.
Ali badala shem.
Okay, anyway, yabona kulo Bengula Street between 3rd Avenue and 4th Avenue.
Mina sibaxoxela abasethu ma-40 noNombeko laba
Ali badala damn it.
Okay, okule terminus ka 3rd Avenue. Yabona kulo Bengula Street. Yeah. That strip from 4th Avenue to 3rd Avenue lapha kugejiwe. So it looks like there was an aquifer. ABC kwezamanzi kuyaphezulu. Yes, so that's why they so ba waterproof lapha. The same thing that they once did Guluveve Road along Engine Garage lapha.
Yeah.
Yes. But people were saying, okay, so ukepa that less than 50 meter stretch, logi waterproofer, logi selitara, how can it cost $1 million?
A detour has been created to divert traffic while rehabilitation works on part of Lobengula Street and 3rd Avenue in progress. And this has contributed to the overall project cost. So, what we can do is 400,000 or something. We have to constantly add gravel and compact it as well as suppress dust on the detour. So in total, council will spend more than $1 million. I will read that again. Actually, I'll move on. A few months ago, Bulawayo Mayor David Coulthard told Zim Papers that the rehabilitation of the Lobengula Street and 3rd Avenue intersection was necessary to improve the stormwater drainage system. Guys, and you promises left Bulawayo, and another rainy season is coming, and this shit needs to get fucking fixed. I'm a storm drain into Lawana. Local Ian Smith, what in this airport, passport yake wahamba. I don't think it's clean. So we have like at least 40 years of garbage. It's Guma storm drain. Ike Zulu lingane town icheke. Uyawunazi ithi Tara igcwala amanzi.
Flood, yeah.
So fast.
And you can't even drive properly lapana. Especially ukukrossa umgwaqo, because the idea of that drainage system is ukuthi umgwaqo ungabi oversaturated ngamanzi. Because okunye khona kana cause ukuthi ugcine kunama potholes because the road becomes weak. Ngapha we don't have enough people to enforce ama laws ukuthi ama big trucks and haulage trucks engangeni town. Now ama potholes egcine sibakhona.
Khona amathara lana melanga ngamagonyithi. Dog, but ile kuze nini le ngenye futhi okumele benzi. Ama storm drain, that's a serious one, dog. Because the town lapha izulu lingaqasa ukuna, especially nxa umuntu owokhayo. Sometimes you're forced to just stand. Because itara jeki, because isikhathi yabona iblock yonke so kugcwele amanzi, ungela ndawo yokunyathela ndo. Le moto mazidlula zisithi wa manzi. And that has also caused ukuthi izulu lingane yakubona traffic crazy nje in town. Because wonke umuntu hle keep imoto yakhe.
Yeah, everyone starts driving slow foot. Because now,
limited
exactly, they are trying not to get soaked at the same time. They are not trying to damage their cars. Ngapha kumele drop umongi ubhizi yakhala akasafuni ukuphuma emotweni ngoba umjoli yamnyisa.
And okunye futhi yikho kucina sokukhoza lama accidents.
Sithulelo.
Because umgwaqo ucina ususlippery.
Ususlippery.
Ema agin laba so bizwe therapy and stuff so club yabo.
Councillor Coulthard said problematic culvert pipes that were constantly blocked had given BCC teams a hard time to unblock. A culvert pipe is used to facilitate the flow of water under roads, railways, and other man-made structures, and is essential in preventing water from accumulating on roads. So, Uchuti goes to what we're saying. There's a blockage, lapana, go Kelvin or something. That's what. Once the drainage issues on Lopengula Street are resolved, BCC will shift focus to reconstructing the 3rd Avenue eastbound approach to Lopengula Street. So you could also put money marketing.
But man, 1 meter layer by Kamba, is it for the whole project or it's just the first part of the project?
This I do not know, dog.
Because by Kamba after, actually by Kamba before we mentioned 3rd Avenue.
I think it might, yeah. Maybe laying a stripless, yeah. But the chance is involved. I'm sure Manile is going to.
Guys, 1 million is a lot of money, guys. Ngama 100,000 I 10. Ngama 10,000 I 100. Okay, how much did it cost you to clear your land, FM?
Clear the land.
Yeah.
But it's a figgy meter, you never know, because.
Oh, to clear my land? Oh, no, 1 million. China or something. You
would just amanya figures are but
I did take it off last week. So yeah. I don't know. Stuff is cheap. Street. I am happy that this is happening. I am, however, cautious, and I have reason to be because we have seen other projects take off and take forever. How many years of value?
But
what's going on now?
Yes, I know, but how many years has it been?
It's been long. It's been long.
At
least they got something after so many years.
Let's pan Patawali Sebenzisi because drivers are still going back to 6th Avenue because that side, when it gets dark, abantu they don't go that side. So Mchova, they are forced to go back to 6th Avenue. Yes, and Ukamba association footing. That's the thing. So since Ukamba association, the Mchova Koma association, ye figure la pana injan. Ye pirata go 6th Avenue and other places on Avenue. Then people always want to go to the nearest place. First month it was effective because like city council, I think SHI summer overtime abantu labana city council to enforce the laws but then they got exhausted.
At least what you're actually saying makes sense, Doc. And now I actually realize, I thought Ikoti was now working effectively because I remember around 4, 5, 6, like around rush hour. Traffic having a yenzi. But these days, when you go to trafficking and I flew. Now it's just good so go flow ala pakati. How much it says we go piracy. That's actually a little crazy. But anyway, we were also still waiting on Cecil to get fixed, bro. It's been how long? Levick Falls, like
Falls Road is worse. Falls Road is worse. What progress?
Progress
Mina, I want to know how much it costs to fix Falls Road. Then compare it le mali elungiswa Ulopengula Street. I want to see something.
We need to do something.
That's 400, over 400 to 500 kilometers. Yes, and Ulopengula is about 40 to 50 meters.
But a meter.
I just want to see something.
just wanna say
ngale
something
ngala
about-
abagebhi ma culvert pipe. Ngale kuthiwa lama culvert pipe vela lapha. So lafana ba solve two problems. Uyazi Jeki ubusithi mawungena eLobhengula Street, ifurniture lapha nibile dust angane kazithengiswe since 1944. Benza ukuthi mdala le business la. But it dust akade lapha engagezisa imoto Jeki. The minute udlula ngale.
Chill.
But it's funny because if 500Ks plus is Harare Road, bazitsha in less than a year, if I'm not mistaken.
I think so a company yakhona.
Harare Road yo do.
Ezika Falls Road.
I-plant to
Plumtree Road.
lokuze nini?
Plumtree to Harare,
Labana.
yeah.
Kwakuthiwa wena auto G5 5G.
Group 5,
Group
yeah,
5,
Group 5.
G5.
Those guys did a good job.
Yo do mgoqo nje silayo la. Plumtree Road le Harare Road.
Yeah. So anyway, ukuvala nje closing topic. Kulabantwana, excuse me, kulabantwana babafundisi la. Is there anyone whose parents are hayi nxe kungasembuze so vele ngikuvume. Ngoba kuyase kutricky.
Umzali
Isihlobo kumbe.
Ayise yamari Lina ngicaka Lina, what is your take on abantwana babafundisi? Ngingakakhuluma.
Fundisi kazi.
Kanye last number.
Fundisi kazi zali.
What's going on there?
Usubone ba?
Akulomunye la engimaziyo umnyuchoma and discover test abazali bakhe.
Abafundisi.
And the moment I have to find that out, it means wena vela ukho exemplary. Njengemember yakhe. Ngoba kumele at some point ngathi acheka indlela olunge ngayo Jake. Hey, enganozala ngumfundisi umthetho vele mina ubabami. So lina yini elinganginika?
Mina
What
I
do you
know
think is
I
going
know
on
of someone or dishonor ama parents akhe because wayefunda leli alphabet community. Not parents disowning the child disowning the parents. Because this he or she said they do not respect ama wishes akhe.
Ekhuluma ngeoral. Utshela abazali you don't respect my wishes, usithi ufuna i-oral wena. Udisona abazali for i-oral sex. That's
Wow.
crazy.
Maybe. Just maybe.
Siyabona lapha abafundisi babe khulekela abantu abayi100 bexotsha amademoni.
Ngamaqini yini lo khaya? Amaqini yini? Demoni lemntwaneni liqiniso yini?
Revenge yangona.
Usuka la ku back pocket yehothiyedeni. Listen, this is no disrespect. Mina, I can't decide ukuthi pastors' children, PK's pastors' kids, really that bad, or is it because we are taking it with that contrast because they are pastors' kids, so we rate them with a higher standard. We want them to. But I think I'm emotional, yeah.
I think it's great expectations.
And
Yeah. Because sometimes I told ukuthi umuntu lwana uphila i-social life engcono kule yakho, but it doesn't reach the level of a pastor's kid. Then kumenze ebengani far down compared to you. Uthola ukuthi uyakhuleka more than you, but they are not showing it out in the public. And khonokana ukuthi ngupastor's kid, then initially kuhle kuthiwa vele lo ngumhedeni lo indlebe yakhe vele ayiboni.
but it's that whole thing. Obviously, you're judged by your circumstances. Bemi Madison, lao Bemi Madison, but Baba came home this. Ew, dog. You know what I'm saying? It's like, what the fuck?
But Vela as a PK, ungabona sesifika to a point where we have to charge you.
Ndoda.
But baningi vele abantu abafundisi babona la bakhona naphela sebesilabo ngeweekend kutaphi ekhotoni.
Abathenga.
Abathenga abanye amalokhuze nini khona la. Hey.
Sho umntana kamfundisi wesabatheni ogqoka icici.
Never mind. Mana ngithi ukhula. It's fine.
Maybe when I
it's
say
fine.
ngabuya lapha bezikhulumele
Mana
ngayikhona
ngayikhuluma.
ofuwe.
Yeah, bathe offering sebesinathe offering la.
Hayi tamsadara.
Osithiba nice sebesinathe lokhuze imali ye offering la.
Nice sneaker, bro. Your tithe, bro.
into edengifuna ukuyikhuluma abantu bacane besibakwazi ukuthi ngikhulumela ubani because
hayi ayithula
yeah
asifuni ukubela ama-ops
yeah
bangifila bawupho when you did tight sneaker bro yeah from last week what I said tight sneaker bro oh I thought you said tight sneaker but yeah but yeah I assume it's kind of that pressure of you know growing up in a household where you feel like you were suppressed and you were limited from doing other things and you do want to because nabona nabafundisi maybe bona bathole ichance yokuthi bona they tasted into zomhlaba bathi ayisikho lokho yikho suchumayela manje umntana akho wena suhluvela
then laba abafundisi abatrendayo ke ngabanjani
yibapha abatrenda numbers abafundisi abatrenda
labo uzothiwa eyamfundisi enze so
I got these days nje konke umuntu uyatrenda abantu angatrendiyo these days
thina strand ngani
Antu khona omunye la
Awuthi
yabaqeda
ya.
ukuthi go see Victor.
Onjani
Omunye la yabaqeda kumtshela ukuthi go and see Victor.
ngubana
I think ngoba last week ngoba last of la. yeah.
umfundisi lwana owaseguqela imoto
Abayi-2 futhi actually.
ayisolona
Yeah.
eguqela imoto ekhuleka
Ngomunye wangikhona nano.
Wanika the whole praise and
two.
worship team is matter.
Exactly.
praise and worship team
I saw it
Church.
Ngapha ngoVictor
yeah
Victor Tombani
Izo-
sewikneli
izolo
Oh, go
ngitholi
and see
text
Victor.
I'm sure lonke liyitholile text le ngoba ibi ama text lawa ikhonithi la
Everything
what
going
is-
see Victor
ah
uyasalela phela
Sizambona zonke. mana ibikhuluma ngokudonate for hold on gents right every child try remit hope the text I got on Tuesday every child deserves hope help raise 100,000 to support 10 organizations bringing care to children to donate EcoCash *151 *2 pra or visit remithope.org. Saying yi contribution yami le Remit Hope senginivalele imessage lapha ebantwini la. But singabi imbinga.
iPrado A1 imalini.
Ingabi Kosi
one
Victor la.
Prado.
Ongiba reply ngithi Kosi Victor.
wathi gosi
Yazi lokuze nini
gosi Victor
isaying le uthi let them eat cake.
oh
Let them eat cake.
eka Marie Antoinette ngenze history phela
Batshele ukuthi kuvela
ayi sabatshele phethu Marie Antoinette kasufuna nguku okay it was king Marie Antoinette wayomfazi kaLouis the 16th and then ayimize ngikhulume vele
Sayifaka emlonyeni mama.
okay so ithiwa kuyini lapho babehlela khona ithiwa kuyini wakuse France was it France but all right
Paris.
babesafa abantu bangikhona bebesafa you know Marie Antoinette wathini
Bamtshela bathi the people don't have bread.
yena wabesithini
Let them eat cake. Do you guys also know how French fries became I think say khuluma lela va?
angiyazi
How French fries became it was also France ngani bekulajwa shut. Ingotsho mina baba bekazwakala eAfrica. Azi jenzi kama kiwe ngasoze suke eAfrica. When they got here they just couldn't they couldn't fucking believe it. Even Africa yonke because they wrote back and said we have found paradise. They found a land that didn't have mudslides, no volcanoes, no earthquakes, no tornadoes,
thina
bountiful
abanikazi
rain.
iselehluli ithwani siyahluleka
Ah, thina sasihleze emlilweni ushake bondi mbulale. Yo.
mulale
And I even read this other
Bulale.
article that said when explorers came here, bezobona, they wrote ukuthi when they met the people in Africa, they never saw anyone who was richer than the other, and there was no poor person.
Yeah.
So
literally
if you
fucking
want to
paradise.
colonize these people, you have to attack their way of life.
Yeah. Dotanya ke mbona ama picture KZN dog. Like there's pictures of a KZN that you'll see. And it will fucking make sense, dog, why these people came here and said there's no way you are living. Dota what is in the way bro. Where you are like, this is the garden of fucking Eden. So anyway,
No. Kabelo nombuzo she. So do you just like wake up on a random day, vula ifoni yakho ku Wikipedia ubale zonke izinto lezi nje? Cause the amount of things you know, bruh.
You cannot be a great man without a touch of insanity. But anyway, I'll just make this a quick spin. There was famine as well in France, and then the empire at the time, I can't remember, the king, whoever he was trying to get people to get into some form of sustenance farming, especially potatoes, because I'm a potato and I'm a legume, and they're really a bit drought resistant compared to other crops. But I want to feel at that time, I'm a quilling and his stuff is or whatever. So Mchita, Wayaki garden. He built a garden, and it was a nice little royal garden. Went to the king, Napalingange. Walima Makui, Pagat. And then Wafagama guards. But these guards were told to Utin. Liberi Chama, Diri, Lifumenum Chitutum, as one apelachi. 5 randing guineas. Angena to Piambe fast. And that's how they did the reverse psychology on the population to start eating potatoes. Because one of they thought they were stealing from the king, but it was part of his plan, and that's how French fries became a thing. But I don't know, this story is a bit...
Wikipedia.
So anyway, this has been another great episode. So last week, we posted and in the group Yama BYO podcast. There's a group BYO podcast. Abantu abastandayo, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah, bastand.
So we had put a link there, and then we had said we're setting up a secret message link. Abafunayo abalama contribution.
Yeah.
Confessions. Abafunu mongi. The kurume kompa. And then we're going to read the messages out loud. Don't you inbox ngivali.
Inbox and.
But yeah, but it's good for mostly on confessions anyway. But anything of interest. Engwa kulomnye umuntu jeka befuna ukusitshela ukuthi amathenge lincanywa. But ubona ngani sizam.
Caba imephu khona ofuna ukusendela imali khona singazi.
Yabo. Kuthi khona ukukwanisa li 1 million yomgwaqo. So anyway, stay sesikhuluma ukuthi sizabala namuhla. It looks like abanye abantu bakhuthile because a lot of people are like, oh no, we didn't know what. So what we're actually doing is we're going to extend it for another week. And I don't know who's going to do the upload, if we're going to be able to put the link here, because I think we'll have a wider reach here if we put it on the YouTube channel at the bottom, yeah? So we're going to set up a few links. Yeah, please check on the description. Yeah, check on the description of the episode. There's going to be a few links there where you can send us a secret confession, secret message, a question, or something of interest that you want to say to us.
Hi, ofuna ngideni. Ufuna ngibatshela ukuthi ngilithanda lonke. Inamba yani price.
Thank you so much for tuning in.
Coming at you live from Cotton Crow. Join Cotton Crow.
Yeah, episode 1.
King's Crow. Yeah,
we're coming from hey.
Yeah.
Hey. They're coming way.
We're coming 2 times live from Cotton King's Crow. Thank you for tuning in to our podcast.
Bye.
Yolana eti po 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 po.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just head home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can come any day. You can come and we play. But are you ready?